Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the second session of this online tutorial. This week, you're going to learn a topic on things in the office, basic writing mechanics, and descriptive paragraphs. You can find the topic in Module 2, which consists of two learning activities. So, by the end of this week, you're expected to be able to identify vocabulary related to things in the office, write a simple descriptive paragraphs, for example, like describing a place in English, and also implement some basic writing mechanics. All right, class? So please try your best to study the module and also the enrichment links below carefully. And don't forget to always actively participate in the discussion forum too. All right, class? Good luck.